This Labubu The Monsters is sold out in Pop Mart store. There are many fake ones in the reseller market. Can you guess which is the real or fake Labubu The Monsters? Here's the answer. Let's spot the difference. On my left is the real Labubu. On my right is the fake Labubu. Take a closer look. The gray tone on the Labubu is different. The fake Labubu is a lighter shade of gray. Check the word exciting Macaron. Real Labubu has the glossy lamination on the wordings. Fake Labubu does not have the glossy reflective finishing. Check the Popmart logo. Fake is Pop Mart. Different blue tone. Brand is Pop Mart. Fake Labubu logo is Bob Mart. Check the logo. Missing QR code sticker for the fake Labubu. Different number. The background blue looks different. The tag color is different. The fake Labubu has a darker shade. Spot the color difference. There is a missing spacing between the colon and number 7 for the fake Labubu. Let's unbox the real Labubu The Monsters. The package has the Popmart logo. Now, let's unbox the fake Labubu. There is missing red strip in the Fake Labubu box. The Fake Labubu says Pop Mart. The color on the Fake Labubu's face has more red tone. The Fake Labubu says Pop Mart. At a quick glance, other than the logo, both packaging looks the same. Can you spot the difference? This is how the real Labubu looks like. Now, let's unbox the Fake Labubu. The cheek has a darker orange tone. Let's count. 8 teeth. Yes, the Fake Labubu has 8 teeth. Let's compare with the real Labubu. Real Labubu has 9 teeth.
Aww.
There is a bigger gap between the ears for the Fake Labubu. The cheek color is darker for the Fake Labubu. Missing Popmart logo on the feet. Fake Labubu has a pink feet. Real Labubu has beige color feet. Check the Monsters logo. Fake Labubu has lighter tone. The details on the label is different. Can you spot the difference? The Labubu's hand has different colors. Oh my goodness, the fake Labubu's feet is able to rotate 360 degrees. Wow, the real Labubu can only turn slightly. Both the arms are adjustable. Let's see if the fake Labubu's arm is adjustable. The head is rotatable. Now, check the fake Labubu. The head is rotatable. The fur on the Labubu is soft, but take a closer look. The fur is falling off as I touch it. Could this be the counterfeit? The fur keeps falling off from different parts of this Labubu. Another thing, I realized, the tag Pop Mart design is different from the Labubu have S seat tag. Let's check if this is a counterfeit Labubu. Let's scratch here for the serial number. Scan the QR code. Check that it's Pop Mart page. Anti-counterfeiting inquiry. Key in the serial number. This is the first query, so this is the 100% authentic Labubu. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video. If you like our unboxing video, please share it with your family and friends. Till then, happy toy collecting.